Hi, I'm Saki and this is Rocky. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your Velcro kitty holster into a non-Velcro one. This is not only good for old worn-out harnesses, but also for cats who are scared of noisy Velcro. In this tutorial, I will show you how to replace the Velcro with a double D-ring fastener. You can either salvage the fastener from somewhere, such as an old motorcycle helmet, which is where I got mine, or you can make your own, which I'll show later in this tutorial. The D-ring fastener is a really clever design. You insert the strap through both D-rings and it comes out through only one of them. And then when you tug on the fixed end, the strap pulls the D-rings closer together. The more you tug, the tighter it gets. When you tug the loose end, it does not put pressure on the rings, and this is what allows the strap to slide between the D-rings and tighten it further. So basically, there's no way to loosen the rings accidentally by pulling on the straps, which is great for a cat harness because the cat won't be able to force its way out. In order to loosen a double D-ring fastener, you have to manually separate the rings and push the loose end through. Okay, anyway, here we go. The first step is to cover the existing Velcro with a piece of fabric. If your Velcro is super worn out already, like Rocky's, you don't need to do this. It's only if you have fresh Velcro. Now that that's taken care of, the next step is to fasten the D-ring part onto one side of the harness. There's really nothing to it, you just sew it on. If you use a recycled motorcycle helmet strap, just sew around the base of the fabric that's already there. I do recommend sewing around it twice in an Xbox formation, just to reinforce it, in case your cat is super beefy and tries to escape by going Hulk. And then, you'll want to measure how long the strap should be. First, attach the strap by threading it through the two D-rings and back out the first one. Make sure there's a few inches of overhang, or if your strap has a button, then pull out enough slack to button it. Next, get your cat back into the harness to measure where to cut and sew the strap. The strap will attach approximately where the base of the old Velcro is. So mark that position on the strap or just pinch it with your fingers and cut it there. Here's a close-up of where I'm attaching the strap. It's the top side of where the old Velcro was. Again, I recommend sewing an Xbox onto it. Okay, the harness is now ready to test out. Make sure you figure out how to safely get it on and off your cat before taking them out for a walk. In the next part of this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your own double D-ring fastener. But first, this cat's going for a walk.
Me and my cat named Dog, we're walking high against the fog, singing the song.
Okay, part 2. For those of you who want to make the double D-ring mechanism from scratch, this is how to do it. First thing you gotta do is get 2 D-rings, obviously, and some strap material. A good source of this is camping gear with straps that you never use. This one is from a yoga mat holder. Another good source of strap material is from old reusable shopping bags like this one. Anyway, get some straps and make sure that they are the same width as the flat side of the D-rings. Next, slip both D-rings onto the strap, like so, and fold the strap back onto itself. Lock them in by sewing right next to the straight edge of the Ds. That's really all there is to it. As you can see, it is just as effective as the pre-made double D-ring fastener. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials like this one and other tutorials not like this one, subscribe to my channel.